Today we're going to be doing a blind taste test between McDonald's, Wendy's, and
Burger King.
So let's start. I'm going to taste this. Kind of cheesy.
I think I know this.
This one I think is good. It's between this one and this one is Wendy's. I think it's this one that's Wendy's.
Okay, I think I got all of them all. I think this is Burger King, this is McDonald's, and this is Wendy's. Is it too?
What do you think, Austin?
I think this one is Burger King, McDonald's, and Wendy's. Who got most right? Who got most right?
Wait, does it say it over here?
It doesn't. I will tell you. Number 1 was Burger King.
Wow.
Number 2, McDonald's.
And this one.
3 is Wendy's.
Wait, I got these mixed up.
Yeah.
Stop the video, please. Now we're going to be testing chicken nuggets from the same places. So let's start.
That's too warm. Too hot.
I think I had these before. This has to be McDonald's. I'm gonna just taste the other ones. I'm gonna have these.
This tastes like the ones you make.
No, I'm not have some of this. This has to be Wendy's. Emma, can we vote now?
Okay, yeah. I think I'm ready. Okay, wait. Okay. I think this one is Burger King. Wait. Yeah, I think number 1 is Burger King. Number 2 is McDonald's. And number 3 is Wendy's.
I think this one is McDonald's. This one, Burger King, and this one, Wendy's.
Okay, what was it?
What was it now?
Number 1 was Wendy's. Number 2,
Yes.
Burger King.
Yes.
Number 3, McDonald's.